Lesson: Fairness and Non-Discrimination. Fairness and non-discrimination in the realm of artificial intelligence are foundational ethical principles that ensure AI systems operate equitably across diverse populations. As AI technologies increasingly influence decisions in areas such as hiring, lending, law enforcement, and healthcare, the imperative for fairness and non-discrimination becomes paramount. Practitioners in the field of AI ethics and governance must be equipped with the tools, frameworks, and actionable insights necessary to address these ethical concerns effectively. AI systems, by their nature, are trained on vast datasets that reflect historical biases. These biases can manifest in various forms, including racial, gender, and socio-economic disparities, necessitating robust frameworks to mitigate such issues. One prominent framework is the Fairness through Awareness approach, which emphasizes understanding the context and impact of AI decisions on different groups. This framework involves creating models that are sensitive to the diversity in data, ensuring they do not disproportionately disadvantage any subgroup. A practical application of this approach is the use of fairness-aware machine learning algorithms. These algorithms are designed to identify and correct biased patterns during the training process. For instance, the disparate impact remover is a tool that adjusts the distribution of features in the dataset to ensure uniformity across different groups before feeding them into the AI model. This tool is particularly useful in scenarios like credit scoring, where historical data might reflect systemic biases against certain demographics. Another actionable framework is the bias mitigation through pre-processing, in-processing, and post-processing strategy. Pre-processing involves modifying the input data to eliminate bias before it is used in model training. Techniques such as reweighting and resampling are employed to ensure that the training data is representative of a fair distribution. In-processing involves modifying the learning algorithm itself to reduce bias during the model training phase. Regularization techniques can be introduced to penalize models that exhibit biased behavior. Post-processing focuses on adjusting the model's outputs to ensure that the decisions made do not reflect discriminatory biases. This is particularly relevant in the context of classification tasks, where thresholds can be adjusted to balance decision outcomes across different groups. Real-world case studies highlight the necessity of these frameworks. For instance, the COMPAS algorithm, used for predicting recidivism, was found to be biased against African American defendants. This case underscores the need for in-depth bias audits and the incorporation of fairness checks throughout the AI lifecycle. Conducting regular audits and deploying fairness metrics, such as disparate impact ratio and equal opportunity difference, can help identify potential biases and guide corrective measures. The concept of algorithmic transparency plays a crucial role in ensuring fairness. Transparency in AI involves making the decision-making processes of AI systems understandable and accessible to stakeholders. This can be achieved through the use of interpretable models or tools like LIME, which provide insights into how models make predictions and help uncover potential biases. By enhancing transparency, organizations can build trust with users and stakeholders, ensuring that AI systems are held accountable for their decisions. To facilitate the implementation of these frameworks, organizations can adopt governance structures that prioritize ethical AI practices. This includes establishing ethics committees that oversee AI projects, ensuring they align with fairness and non-discrimination principles. Additionally, organizations can integrate fairness into their AI development pipelines by incorporating fairness checks at each stage, from data collection to model deployment. This proactive approach ensures that fairness considerations are not an afterthought, but an integral part of the AI development process. Training and awareness programs are also essential in cultivating a culture of fairness and non-discrimination within organizations. By educating AI developers, data scientists, and decision-makers on the importance of ethical AI, organizations can foster a workforce that is equipped to identify and address biases effectively. Workshops and seminars on ethical AI practices can provide practical insights and encourage the sharing of best practices across different sectors. The effectiveness of these tools and strategies is further demonstrated through statistical evidence. Studies have shown that organizations that implement fairness-aware algorithms and conduct regular bias audits are more likely to achieve equitable outcomes in their AI applications. These organizations not only mitigate the risk of perpetuating biases, but also enhance their reputation and trustworthiness among consumers and stakeholders. Despite these advancements, challenges remain in achieving absolute fairness and non-discrimination. The complexity of social biases and the dynamic nature of AI systems necessitate continuous research and development in this area. However, by leveraging the frameworks and tools discussed, AI practitioners can make significant strides in ensuring their systems are fair and non-discriminatory. In conclusion, fairness and non-discrimination are critical ethical principles in the development and deployment of AI systems. By adopting frameworks such as fairness through awareness and bias mitigation, employing tools like fairness-aware algorithms, and fostering a culture of transparency and accountability, AI practitioners can address real-world challenges effectively. Continuous education and awareness, coupled with governance structures that prioritize ethical AI, are vital in ensuring that AI technologies contribute positively to society. As AI continues to evolve, maintaining a steadfast commitment to fairness and non-discrimination will be essential in harnessing its potential for the greater good.